He looked quite tired. He looked quite tired. The area was quiet. The area was quiet. I will come to your place. I will come to your place. He will come back within 1 month. He will come back within 1 month. I have seen her before. I have seen her before. He filled out the application form. He filled out the application form. I am here on business. I am here on business. Where is your school? Where is your school? All of us want to live as long as possible. All of us want to live as long as possible. Keep away from the dog. Keep away from the dog. I finished the work in less than an hour. I finished the work in less than an hour. Have you taken your medicine yet? Have you taken your medicine yet? He lives in a large house. He lives in a large house. His family is very large. His family is very large. My mother gets up early. My mother gets up early. I don't know whether you like her or not. I don't know whether you like her or not. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Raise মানে উপরে তোলা. I told him to come. I told him to come. You must do your best. You must do your best. Do you want money? Do you want money? What's your face? What's your face? Has he arrived already? Has he arrived already? What will happen if you don't have the power? What will happen if you don't have the power? Our teacher looks very young. Our teacher looks very young. Do you have a better idea? Do you have a better idea? What happened last night? What happened last night? I live in this country. I live in this country. I would like to change my room. I would like to change my room. This medicine has no side effects. This medicine has no side effects. Have you eaten lunch yet? Have you eaten lunch yet? My grandmother has become old. My grandmother has become old. Dinner is almost ready. Dinner is almost ready. That's enough for today. That's enough for today. Perhaps it will rain tomorrow. Perhaps it will rain tomorrow. I know what you mean. I know what you mean. He has a large family to support. He has a large family to support. I am almost done. I am almost done. We complained about the poor service. We complained about the poor service. They agreed to work together. They agreed to work together. The whole nation wants peace. The whole nation wants peace. He repaired his watch by himself. He repaired his watch by himself. I have nothing to say. I have nothing to say. Tom could not control his anger. Tom could not control his anger. Are you able to swim? Are you able to swim? Keep your room clean. Keep your room clean. Even though he is very old, he is healthy. Even though he is very old, he is healthy. Everyone ate the same thing. Everyone ate the same thing. I will act on your advice. I will act on your advice. Why did you open the box? Why did you open the box? How did you solve the problem? How did you solve the problem? I am very busy this week. I am very busy this week. He wrote the report. He wrote the report. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.